Marcuise and Marak, UMLA ke National People's Party NPP na William Nagar baru menteri berikmi ikatanat PHE ke Sarkar Jela, ulaong baka Garo Hills kan beteng Dawa penpoi Lynti rel hamman laki benta kataan lingba ke Mendi Pathar. Habakran sigilat pathai kubor haka sautari unailar arja arpusau uni menteri Sarkar ulaong. Watla na Khasi Jaiñtia Hills kim Treh Henry ke Garo Hills ke Donkam ya ki Lynti rel ban kentiu ya ke Roy kapar. Uniu MLA ke William Nagar ulaong. Bau MLA ke Siju Ranggara urakam isang ma uladap ban Dawa ban penpoi Lynti rel hadu bagmara bat kaladan ru ke jing Dawa ban penpoi sya West Garo Hills. Ulaban baka jing penpoi ya ke Lynti rel na Mendi Pathar syakiwai pat ki jaka kan ai jing mentoi shibuan ya ke than kam tam da ke jing pendap ya ke jing kieng halor ke wa Brahmaputra ke ban penyaso na Pulbari sya Dhubri. Ulapan pau ya ke jing sohon namar baka Lynti rel ban penyaso hadu bagmara kan yat lingba ke William Nagar bat ong bakal biang palat yu namar lada penpoi ya ke Lynti rel hadu bagmara klempap kan yat lingba ke William Nagar.
Well, as of now, I don't have any idea. But then, if Khasi Hills is not going for railway, definitely we would demand because we need extension of railway from Mendipata. Honorable MLA Siju Rongara, Mr. Rakham Sangma has also demanded to Bakmara, and there are demands to West Garo Hills also. If this site, Khasi Hills site, if they don't agree for the railways, definitely Garo Hills will go for it. Well, I would love to seek an extension, but then appropriate would be to connect it to Southwest Garo Hills also, because there are lots of agriculture activity in that area, and if it is connected, and once the bridge over Brahmaputra, which is being connected Pulbari to Dhubri, it is connected, then it will be a very convenient place for business activities in West Garo Hills. That is good enough for me because if the railway line is being extended to Bakmara, definitely it will go through William Nagar.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya